If you want to know how we achieve this bridal hence Gele head wrap, guys, let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
Don't you the crafty producer?
Woo, sha.
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. Yes, so this is Deck Beauty. Oh, I like these eyebrows. Oh my people, if you want to know how we achieve these eyebrows, I have the video on my YouTube channel. And in case you are watching me from Facebook, I even upload it on my Facebook page, Deck Beauty. Yes, so today we are going to do many in one talking. We are not just going to deliberate on the head wrap, but if you want to achieve one or two things on this head wrap, all you need is just focus. I wanted to put voice, I wanted to do music on top of this video because of the noise I have on my background. My children, they are at home. I try to stop them not to make noise, but guys, it's not easy for them to stop without making noise. Okay, this tie, we call this tie hence Gele. Double, some people call it double side fan, some people call it celebrant style. Some people so this style is for bride, celebrant. If you are the celebrant, you see the way I am just doing the folding. If I were you, the only thing I will just do on this video, I will just focus my eye on, just focus your eye on the demonstration. So the measurement is 40-60. The length of this fabric, and this fabric is ashoke. The length is 90. I divide it into 40-60. The shorter part is the 40, the longer part is the 60. So create as many pleating as you can. And that V shape, make sure say that V shape pronounce proper for the front side. So as you are creating more pleating, just reserve little bit to cover the back side. Okay, right now, as you can see, the V is there. Many people call it crossing for front. Many people call it a V. So what I normally do, I will use the last one. You see that last one? So I will bring it to the front side. Then I will use pin to pin now. Pin it so that everything will secure. You secure it with your pin, my people. Please, in case you hear any noise at the background, I can hear my son is just calling his brother. Please. Okay, let's continue. So now we are working on the 60. You bring the 60. So once you bring the 60 to the top, make sure you be careful. And most time, if you just create like 2 or 3 pleating, bring it from the other side to this part of it. So if you can tell your model to help you to hold it, you know this Gele, if we are dragging it, sometimes you feel that it's moving. For more guarantee, if your model can hold it for you, any area you feel that place is shifting back a little bit. Okay, my people, you know, easy to explain. Okay, if you want to know more explanation, I always invite people to my live on Facebook. Very soon, I will buy. I already ordered for ring lights that have a 3 phone stand, 3 phone that I can just use 3 phone at a time. I will go live on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Okay, what I do now, you see that 3 that I was tracing from the front side, I just use pin. Use up to 2 pin to secure it. You know, before we dey tie Gele. Since I start following one boy on Instagram, his name is Sammy Gele. So Sammy Gele, he always use pin. He don't knot. So that is the reason I tried that pattern. It's okay for me. Now I use pin. So right now, my people, I'm going to start creating the front bridal hems. So how to create this front bridal hems? You take like small from the side, big from the top. Small for the side, big at the center, small at the front, at the side, big at the middle. The middle you take am big, the side, the both side you take small. So you continue and continue and continue and continue. First you set up one part, then later you set up the other side. This style always give me sweat anytime I'm tying this style, but I will not give up. Practice make perfect, my people. The more you do things, the more you are used to it. The more you are used to it, oh my people. So if you are the type that just like simple style, but if you do it on yourself, it's okay. But if you are Gele artist, always go for difficult style. This style, anytime I want to style this style, oh my people, this style they make my heart they make big because that hands, that double fine side, the fall put. But I see myself improving because I keep practicing. You that is watching me now, if anything you find it difficult, don't give up. Keep on pushing. Keep practicing. Practice make perfect. You are my follower. You don't know how to do makeup. You don't know how to do Gele. It's of no use, oh, my people. So as you can see my hand, I always take big from the middle for the side. Then I take small for the side. Big one for the center. Then small one for the side. Okay, that is it. Oh, then with that you will now have that shape that you will now use to do the fine at the side. You see, now we now have that shape. Now we are going to create this side, the fan. Okay, then later we'll see create the other part, the fan. Okay, my people, so that is it. You continue watch the way I demonstrate it, then you learn one or two things. In case you are wondering where I base in United Kingdom, London. I'm available to travel. Book me for your events. May God give you celebration so that you will remember Deck Beauty. I will come and beautify you. I am all in one beauty. Makeup. You see this makeup? I will give it to you the way you want it. That is my motto. We give it to customer the way they want it. But we see they give some advice. So if some customer want to choose wrong, we give them some advice. But if they insist, you give it to them. Oh, if you want loud makeup, I do. If you want simple makeup, I give you. If you want in between, I give you. Now, so my people, like this makeup now is what I call in between. It's not too loud. It's not too natural. It's what I call in between. Then you put deep gold, not the yellow gold. This outfit, this makeup, you can use it for any outfit. English outfit, native outfit, and every age group can carry this makeup. But when it's too loud, my people, when you have that, all those red lipstick, all those colored eyeshadow, away depends. Where I give it to you the way you want it. And we do traditional bridal hair as well. Okuku for all tribe. In fact, go to my Instagram and see all my job there. My Instagram name is Deck Beauty. Okay, my people, I'm just in a rush. I want to say everything before this video finish. Okay, I sell makeup product as well, original makeup products, and I sell oil perfume. Okay, by the time you manage to find your way out for the hence Gele, just pack, just gather the whole leftover and use pin to pin it at the back there. That back side, no problem. Just make sure you cover it proper, nicely, neatly. My people, use pin. Okay, I want to ask you that is hearing the sound of my voice. In case you don't have anything you are doing and you are there watching me, please, as this year is coming to an end, look for something to do. Create a job for yourself, okay? Create job for yourself. Go and learn work. You see this my handwork. Handwork pays a lot. Handwork. You understand? Bible even say, I will bless the works of your hand. What plan do you have for your 2023? You want to enter 2023 without your complaint. I don't have job. I don't have document. That is why I'm not working. Now lie. Let work. Even now you don't have documents. So before you have the document, you don't already let work. You can set up something. Learn something to be doing. Learn work. Learn work. You can start up social media. Not be the one where they insult people for inside though. Create content. At least Facebook will they give you small money. YouTube will they give you small money. It's better than nothing. Or look for something to do. Okay, my people. God asked Moses, what did you have in your hand? Stretch it to this Red Sea. What plan did you have in your mind, in your hand? So if you don't have plan, please try and create something for yourself. As we are about crossing to the year, another new year, at least you have plan. With that plan, you present it to God. God, this is 2023. Oh, help me. Oh, not that you are just there complaining. Not that you are sick. Not that you are sick or you dey coma. In case you know well, may the Lord heal you. But if you are well, I beg my people, wanna look for work to do. That is my little advice. I don't like lazy women. I don't like anybody who dey lazy. If you're a man, woman, now boy, they teach me Gele. Now boy, graduate for that matter for Nigeria. Okay, thank you everyone. Book me. You see my number is there. Book me. I'm available to travel worldwide. See you on my next video. I enjoyed this gisting. Bye bye. Let me put my music.
Carry me the go, Jehovah carry me the go, the beauty house. Carry me the go, Jehovah carry me the